Wow, it's so dark. Let's just say that I know nothing about Warhammer 40k. Okay, that's not quite true. I know just enough to get into serious trouble. What I do know is that this grimdark world is not the friendliest place to live. It's a rather hostile, brutal, depressing, desperate, and frankly terrifying world where great personal sacrifice is heroic and touching, yet thankless and forgettable. And I want to draw it. I'm gonna do a Space Marine, and he's gonna be a good guy. Following some specific self-imposed prerequisites, I managed to leave myself with only one choice of the original 12. The White Scars. Lucky me, the White Scars are pretty cool. As you can see, the pencil sketch is done. I actually drew this last year and turned him into an Imperial fist. We're back because I've been seeing this sketch every time I open my notebook, and I've been driven to the point where I need to do it again. This sketch is a composite of mainly Mark 7 and Mark 10 power armor, gathered from fan art depictions, plus some modifications. I'm gonna use this exact template from last year's Imperial Fist for this year's White Scar, because you can paint the same Space Marine model any color to get a different chapter. Surprisingly, white armor needs a lot of color or it'll look half-finished, but it's important to leave more than just highlights. It's gonna be about 50-50 with the white to gray balance, maybe even 40-60. And the gray will range from super light to almost black. Look at this guy! He looks like a stormtrooper. So, White Scars. What do I know about White Scars? From my brief perusing of their corner of the 40k fandom website, I conclude that they are steppe nomads of Jagoras, united under the idolized Primarch Jagtai Khan. Khan. Eric's Hobby Workshop said Khan. Jagtai Khan. They have a much larger percentage of bike squads in their ranks, much more than other Space Marine chapters. The White Scars also appear to struggle to gain mastery of a ferocious bloodlust in battle that is responsible for their many victories, honors, and presumably, scars. Also known as the Horde of Jagtai, the White Scars are the 5th Space Marine Legion, and they are honorable and just. Good guys, as good as the grimdark world of 40k will let them be. There, I said it.